Well, my understanding is that essentially it's to collect longer time frame for safety data, as well as increased amount of data on efficacy. The EUA was approved essentially after 2.5 months, and this is with data that was submitted in June. So it includes data out to 6 months, and it's that kind of longer term data that's required for full approval.
I too have had numerous conversations with vaccine hesitant people, and some voice very reasonable concerns that it's a brand new vaccine. It came along very rapidly, and they wanted to see, more data and the FDA fully approve it. While I personally might say I don't think you're assessing risk benefit properly, those are reasonable concerns from reasonable people, and so I do hope that this approval and this review of this safety data will give them the confidence to get what is a safe vaccine and get themselves protected.
Yeah, I would echo that hope that it does go a long way. I think people need to realize that these vaccines are scrutinized by a very large number of individuals and coming from very different backgrounds to assess their safety. They review an enormous amount of data. The one thing that people should realize is that following rollout of the vaccine back in late November, essentially early December, the CDC has been very meticulous in tracking side effects now through essentially 9 months. And they have been able to uncover any of the concerns that anyone would have with these vaccines.
For full licensure, you do need 6 months of safety data. And so Moderna had its EUA shortly after Pfizer. And so I would think that they would be next up to become fully approved. I don't know the timing of that. J&J will take a little bit longer.